Ta-da! Finished! La 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 la! It took me exactly 1 month, well, 28 days to finish this piece. And I have to make another one for the other window. Here are my windows. These are bigger than the ones upstairs. And as you can see, this part is the middle, but look at it, it's just fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. But I noticed that this part is a little bit more than compared to this, but that's okay, no problem at all. Just love it. I just love how it ended up. I did have problems while finishing, just want to point out, because there were less boxes, I don't know, and then we had to get rid of some boxes here somewhere. No, it was here, and here, can you see, we had to get rid of a box there, another box at the bottom, so I don't know. Yeah, I guess it was designed this way wrongly, I don't know, I have no clue. But what I'm going to do is next, I'm just going to start from here, because the beginning was fantastic. I had no problem up till the end. So I'm just going to crochet from here, because it's symmetric. Just want to point out you can do that either way. I have the full tutorial. I posted them, and I saw 100 people watching. So I'm thrilled, and hopefully in the couple of years that will multiply as my other tutorials. My crochet is a hit. My crochet tutorials are a hit. Yeah, and I put the marker here just to point out. So from the beginning to here, I use one cone, and from there to there, I use the second cone. So I'm hoping that I would have enough cone. I have one extra that hasn't been opened yet. So I'm going to start, and then we'll see. But I'm no rush for that one because of this tutorial. I done it every day, and I did not start any other projects other than 2-3 scarves. So stay tuned for those tutorials that I'm going to be doing, those videos I'm going to be making. But I just love how this ended up. Yeah, it's rained a bit here in Edmonton in the morning, so I'm hoping, yeah, it's pretty hot. So I washed it. Yeah, I did. Oh, you had to see the water. You had to see the water. It was just gray. So always wash your items when you finish them. You never know, because these yarns are stuck somewhere, right? Well, I bought it 2 years ago from Crochet, and yeah, it can be any yarn. Like I said, this was cotton that I used, and so I'm gonna hang it on the window, and I will make videos, and I will post them on my TikTok and my Instagram page, and they're Angora Balera. You are welcome to come and join me there as well. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Hopefully another ta-da. It's so exciting to finish the whip, a project that you started. So I'm gonna go back to my old whips that's been sitting. But first I need to do a couple of tutorials. You guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.